Hello everyone, I'm Alba and today I talked to Mr. Ramtin about our participation in Canton Fair. So, getting closer to another exhibition, are we?
Yes, we are. Ronix will be attending the Canton Fair this year and we are really excited.
That's amazing. Is there anything different from last year that you are looking forward to?
A lot. We'll be coming back stronger than before, launching our new collection of tools.
Stronger than before. Can you tell me a bit more about them?
Sure. We are proud to present our new series of 40-volt cordless tools with double power.
Wow, that literally is stronger than before. And I remember there were 2,000 tools in the Ronix collection. What is the number now?
Now we have more than 2,500 tools on the market.
Well, that's impressive. And what else should the visitors expect from Ronix in 2024 Canton Fair?
We'll have our new catalogs on display and it's a great chance to talk to the Ronix salesman managers in person.
So don't miss out and let's meet up in the Canton Fair 2024.
See you there.
Great. So how was it?